All right, so we're back with the garage built Chevy S10. We're about to, get our hands dirty. I think I'm tightening it. If it pulls to me, it's loosening it, right?
Let me see the ratchet.
Yeah, I think I'm tightening it.
No, you're loosening there. God damn it, in water. Water.
No, man, it's tightening it.
No, man. There it goes.
Yeah, man, I'm loosening it now, you dumbass. You had it on backwards. Excuse me for the language, y'all.
That shit was fucking. That shit that loose?
I'm dealing with incompetence. Nah, I'm just fucking with y'all. This is a good friend of mine, he's like a brother, so he's helping me out, because that's what friends do. They help out each other. Yeah, nigga, this shit's fucking loose. So what we're doing today on the garage built Chevy S10 is we're doing the cheap way, how to lower your truck. So we're not doing coilovers, we're cutting the springs. We're doing U-bolts with 4-inch blocks. What did you say?
I love how you keep saying the garage built Chevy S10.
So what else is it then?
It's just a built S10.
No, we're building it in a garage. This is a garage.
You're right.
Okay.
So what was mine? An outside build?
Just a build. It's a special build.
Sounds so much better when you say garage build.
Right? And that's why you have friends. Do fun shit like this with.
They're all loosened?
Nah, I'm still on the second one. This one. Thank God, the nigga in the video, he was like trying to burn these shits off. The customized.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I was
Fucked
like, bro,
up with
this
that.
shit is coming off. Don't take them out completely. Leave them out like that. That shit.
I am. This one was a
Just
little.
loosen them all up like that. What the fucking what we gotta do? Now we gotta take out the shock too.
I do not own the rights to this music, so shouldn't be an issue.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
They on fucking marketplace trying to sell the 24-inch gold balls for fucking $5. No tires, no nothing.
Morning, I was taking forever to come off.
Yeah, no, someone was trying to another though.
I forgot this doesn't have the lid anymore.
The what?
The lid on the bumper.